In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a 500 error on Hostinger. This common error can be frustrating, but with a few steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve it. The 500 error usually indicates that there is a server-side problem with your website, and we'll walk through how to pinpoint and fix these issues. So let's dive right in and get your website back on track. First, look at the left-hand sidebar of your Hostinger H panel. Here, you'll want to select the Websites tab, then navigate to Manage for the specific site you're troubleshooting. Once the dashboard loads, scroll to the PHP configuration section and click on PHP options. This section is crucial because it helps us see exactly what's going wrong behind the scenes on your site. Check the display errors option to show errors directly on your website. You can also enable log errors, which records these issues in a file, allowing you to review them later. Once you've selected these options, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Now, if the error persists, the next step is to consider changing the PHP version. Sometimes the problem might be tied to the specific version running on your server. Also, make sure to enable display errors on each new version you try. This will help you determine if the PHP version itself is part of the issue. For those using WordPress, the next step is to consult Hostinger's detailed guide tailored for WordPress-specific problems. These could include plugin or theme conflicts, a corrupted .htaccess file, or PHP limits. Troubleshooting in WordPress may involve disabling themes or plugins one by one to identify the culprit. For different website platforms, pay attention to the specific error messages you receive. For example, if you see call to undefined function, it might mean you need to change the PHP version. And if the issue remains, dive into the code that's highlighted. A parse error suggests a syntax problem, so look closely at the file mentioned and correct any mistakes. Meanwhile, a warning access denied error requires you to double check your database credentials in the configuration files. Lastly, if you encounter a fatal error, failed opening required, verify if the file mentioned exists and, if missing, restore it from a backup or re-upload it. You may also need to adjust the file and folder permissions to ensure everything's set correctly. And there you have it. By methodically applying these steps, you'll have a much better chance of resolving the 500 error on Hostinger. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.